What is up, everybody? This is my first very unboxing of Jump Force. As you can see right here, I got my very own collector's edition. I'm very excited to open it. Let's see what's inside this thing. Got some scissors. Don't want to break the box. Uh-oh. Well, I think that's cool. Don't worry about it. See the back of the box right here. Let's see what this bad boy has inside. I'm mostly excited about the diorama, as you see right there. Really excited to see that. Wow, look at this. What do we have here? Looks like a poster thing. Oh, it's really cool. And look, we go Luffy, Gear Force, nothing in the back. Looks like cardboard. And Goku Super Saiyan Blue. Cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff, right? I think this is a game, right? Yeah, it's the game. You see right here, it's the game. Go Naruto, Luffy, and Goku. This game. I think there's a steel book around here. I have to find it where it is. I think this is the diorama, but I'm not too sure. Here it is, the actual box. I think the diorama is actually in here. Let's see how big this thing is. Don't want to cut myself. There we go. Did I cut it? Yeah, right. Cut it. Yeah, it's cut. Okay, we're gonna open it now. See in the back right here? Pretty cool statue. Pretty expensive too, bro. See right here, this is the whole thing. This is what makes the collector's edition so expensive. Right here. See it? You can see there's Naruto, Goku, and Luffy. Right there. I'm not planning to open it right now, but I'm gonna open it pretty soon so I can show you guys. But as of for now, I want to keep it right here in case I move. I just wanted to show you all what it actually has, and I actually like it. It looks really detailed. Really worth the money. Oh, here's the steel book right here. I was looking for it. This is a steel book. So right here actually has the cover, the game. And that's all it has for the collectors of Jump Force. Thank you guys for watching, and always subscribe.